birthday?
Princess.
Ay, si Princess pala yung birthday. Ano pangalan mo, Princess? Ha? Shana. Ikaw na talaga yung birthday ngayon. Shana. Okay, bigyan mo ng ano si Mama Corona.
Wow!
Si Mama Shana.
Ay,
Shana.
nagtabunin naman mo.
Ang aking...
Hello, wow! Thank you, thank you.
Okay, Ma'am and Sir. Good evening, everyone. Speaking of birthday, Ma'am Shana. First of all, thank you for celebrating your birthday here at the Garden Resort and Restaurant, Garden Bay, Buckingham! And now, ladies and gentlemen, the call of the birthday girl, Miss Shana, and also known as Miss Princess Shana. Happy birthday to you. It is your birthday on the day. Okay, Ma'am Shana. And beyond the Garden Day Management team, wish you a happy, happy birthday. Make a wish and blow your candle. Once again!